Hello, in this video we will show you how to replace the inner CV joint and CV boot on Volkswagen Golf 4. To replace the inner CV joint and CV boot, we need to remove the drive shaft, so we'll start by removing the wheel first. Next we're going to remove the lower bolt for the twist rod, and then we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the nut holding the CV joint to the wheel hub. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the drive shaft to the transmission. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we can take out the drive shaft. If it doesn't want to come out, maybe we can pry it out a little bit with a screwdriver and it will come out eventually. Now that the drive shaft is free from the transmission side, we can take it out at the wheel hub and then just take out the whole drive shaft. And that's the drive shaft out. Now we can go to the bench and replace the inner CV joint and CV boot. First I'm going to remove the bolts on the CV joint. Next I'll get a hammer and a screwdriver to knock out the metal part of the CV boot. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now I'm going to remove the clamp for the CV boot and then cut out the CV boot so that I have access to hammer out the CV joint. Before I start hammering out the CV joint, first I need to remove this lock ring that holds the CV joint in there. I'm going to use special pliers for these snap rings and also a screwdriver to help get the snap ring out. And that's the snap ring out. Now next I'm going to hammer out the CV joint. And that's the CV joint out. Next I'm going to remove the rest of the CV boot and clean everything, then put a new CV boot on, put the CV joint, new or the old CV joint back on, depends on what you're doing, and then assemble everything. Don't forget to put this ring back that will hold the CV joint not to go any more down. Next I'm going to put the CV joint back on. We're gonna hammer it in with I'm going to use a ring that's bigger diameter than the drive shaft, and just hammer the CV joint in. Now I'm going to put the snap ring back on. Next I'm going to put grease on the CV joint on the side of the CV boot. Make sure you put enough grease to be able to get good lubrication. And now I can put the metal part of the CV boot onto the CV joint and put the bolts on. Next I'm going to put the clamp on the other side of the CV boot and tighten it. Next I'm going to put grease on this side of the CV boot, and then I can go and install the drive shaft onto the car.